Do you know that the Igbo tribe is gradually dying out and its glories becoming a thing of the past? You may not know the many enemies that are throwing their spears against the Igbo tribe to destroy it. Very soon, I mean very soon, the Igbo tribe might cease to be. Are we to fold our hands and watch our Igbo tribe fall? If you are an Igbo father or mother and you don't speak Igbo to your children simply because you believe speaking Igbo to your children will make your children local, then you are one of the arch enemies of the Igbo tribe. If you are a youth and you rarely speak Igbo, you speak more of English just to show that you are educated and that you belong, then you are throwing a big spear on the Igbo tribe. Now our children grow with hatred for our awesome Igbo language. It will surprise you to know that our children in Hausa and Yoruba land speak the Hausa and Yoruba language more than the indigenous owners of the Hausa and Yoruba language. Yet, these our children cannot speak Igbo. When a generation of Igbo people that cannot speak Igbo arise, then Igbo tribe will be dead, because we cannot claim to be Igbo without our language. And I tell you, even then, our children will be the one fighting that they are no longer Igbo tribe, but rather they are people from the southeast, or might even give themselves any name they feel like. When a generation of Igbo people that cannot speak Igbo arise, what will be our fate? So, in this new year, take up the challenge. Be proud of Igbo language. Ebe ọbụla ị batara sụba Igbo. Ifu onye Igbo ibe gị sụbali ya Igbo. Ị bata n'ọgbakọ ndị Igbo sụba Igbo. Ebe ọbụla ị nwere ohere ịsụ Igbo, sụsie Igbo ike. Ọ bụkwa nna ya emeghe etu a, ihe bụ nke anyị efunarụ anyị. Ndị be anyị na-ekwu na-asị na mmiri lụrụ elu ekwesịghịkwa ịma mmadụ. Ka anyị bidokwanụ n'oge chụba ewu ojii a bifo chi ejinarụ anyị. Mụnwa bụ survival manager survivalscreativity, ebe a na-akụziri ndị mmadụ aka ọrụ dị iche iche na YouTube n'efu. Ị bụrụ onye Igbo, biko zisaba ozi a ka o ruo Igbo niile. Udo dịrị unu.